Well, hello there YouTube, this is Radikins again. Right, doing a little update. Now, okay. Right, so I've got these two, as you know, Olympic, Titanic. I've got them to the same build level. I say, some of the decks are not glued together, and so I can attach rigging. And I found a few issues with this, especially around here. Now, I say, if these, I say the deck under here, basically, I say you need to sand it level. I haven't done that yet. So I say just so the top deck sits flush, as well as the deck house, because you can see there's spaces wobbling everywhere. So it basically means a pretty sizable gap at the top. See right there? Yeah. And good news, number 3 has arrived, and I've made a start. That's a bit of it. Right. Rare sight. Okay. Again, this one has just had a coating of matte white, and obviously the green striping. There's a couple different shades of green here. I used Humbrol 38, I believe it was. Was it 38? I'm not too sure. Basically, just light green. I'll say, and I'll say so much so the paint is still a bit tacky. And well, how the hell am I going to do this? I'm also let's say press the zoom function. There we go. But saying that though, we can get. I'll say it looks pretty bare at the moment. No, that's blurry. Looks pretty bare. It's mainly because basically it hasn't got any other detail on it yet. But I'll say, but this one, this one is going to be rather tricky. I'll say, right. Allow me to demonstrate some of the modifications that need to be done. Right, down in the front here. I'll say that section near the bunker hatches and behind need to be, well, raised. Well, I'll say till the hatches were basically level. Also got to somehow recreate those little winches there. Don't know how I'm going to do that. Right, but saying that though, it's not glued in yet, so we can take it out, it'll be easier. Right, top of the deck house, again, it needs an observation platform with a telemotor. Don't know how I'm going to do that. Now, this deck house needs to be basically symmetrical, especially this bit adds, let's say, needs to be added there. That's straightforward enough, but but again, it's going to be tricky. Right. This area of the deck house needs squaring off. That's it, but I also need it to remain the same height for the funnel. Not sure how I'm going to do that. This deck house, luckily, can remain the same, but need to add 2 more deck houses here and here. I would say next to this one, and loads of lifeboats and davits all the way along. 10 in total. I say, whereas the davits usually go here and here, on the opposite side. There's going to be 2 massive, davits here, set on either side, and 1 set on this side. The deck needs to be squared off to basically make that flat. Let's see, these crane posts need to be moved down a deck to here. May just have to move them. I say just make them all in one piece. Right, lower well deck. This has to be filled in, and the details of it, such as bunker hatches, well, no, I'll say all the benches need to move up on top, so an extra deck goes along here. Don't know how I'm going to do that. And this deck basically has another raised platform. I would say deck house here, deck house along here. I would say platform, which is roughly the same shape as the poop deck. I would say with a rear observation bridge at the back, and a little winding house right here. There we go. Got myself into, but overall not too bad. Again, these 700 scale ones are actually rather cheap, so if I can get everything wrong, I can just buy another one. And I put this together, well, in a couple of hours, to be honest with you. So I'll say again, it's again, details. Let's say it's nice. It's held up. Yeah, I'll say again, I'm also yet to say do the crosses. Oh yeah, need to do 2 red crosses here and here on both sides. Oh, and on the deck, sorry, on the bridge, on that observation tower, I'm going to say post there, I need to put C138, a little decal in red. Don't know how I'm going to do that. Also, names. How the hell am I going to put a name on this, on something this small? I'll say, just myself, these are 700 scale. This is my hand. So, let's see, again. I'll just do, let's say, there we go. Balls. Right. Just to put it into scale here. This is stiff, okay. Right. Just under 15 inches long. And roll like that. Ooh, it's going to be a difficult one. But saying that though, again, build the shoes. No, I'd say build the shoes. Say not really an issue. I'd say the deck houses under here. Let's say are tricky, but yeah, I'll say straightforward. Again, you need to sand them down. I'd say. That's what actually. How the hell, if you can see it right here, let's say behind the deck, say the crane post there. How the hell are you supposed to paint those? Again, how are you supposed to paint them? I haven't got a brush in the world that can actually do that. Well, I can't find one anyway. Oh, and another thing as well, also found out, right, on this deck house right here, I want to say, if you can just barely see it, see a little crack right there, that's when the parts, I said, just getting out the sprues broke in half. Oh dear. But saying that though, I'll say, it went back together. Let's say he's done for a little bit of sanding. Well, let's say, they're well underway. I think you should get some pictures up. I'll say, you need to make an icon, don't I? Right, until next time.